Alright guys, so in this part of my little supermoto pit bike build, I'm going to be removing my back shock and replacing it with a slightly softer one, because this one literally doesn't move at all under my weight. So it's basically a rigid frame right now, and I don't like that. So what I'm going to do is remove the seat, the rear plastics, and the front plastics, and then I'll remove the back shock. Alright, so I got the new shock, the old shock off, I mean. So now I'm just going to wait for the new shock to get here. Alright guys, got my new back shock. It's not new, but it's pretty close to new, and it's new for me, so I did have to cut off the ends because they were too big and they didn't fit. But yeah, now it's time to install this onto the bike. Alright, so now I got the back shock on there and it looks great. So now it's time to reinstall the plastics and seat. Alright, now I'm going to reinstall my rear wheel assembly. Alright, so I got it all back together, and it works a lot better than the old one did, so very happy with that. Hope this was able to help you guys out, and see you in the next one.